Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to add your text behind the object of your image only using Canva. And the way to create it, first that you need to do is open your Canva and then create a blank project like this. And the next step that you need to do is import an image onto this clip. So first let me find an image that will match onto this tutorial. And I think I'm just going to use a city skies image. I think this one. And then the next thing that you need to do is increase the size from it. Make sure that it's fit onto the page, kind of like this. And I'm going to drag it all the way down. Increase it one more time. Okay, now duplicate this image and then go to the Magic Studio and then click this BG remover to remove the background from this image. Wait for a moment until the process is complete. And when it's complete, as you can see, now we only have this city view from this image. And then the next thing that you need to do is add a text onto this page. So go back to your main toolbar and click the text button, this one. Add a text. And so for example, let me type Tong Boss, kind of like this. And then you can change the font onto a bolder font, but I would like to recommendation a font for you. The name of the font is this one. Let me type it on the search bar. Okay, wait for a moment. This Zoom Roof Bold, this one. Increase the size from the font like this, and then you can change the color of it onto the color that you like to add. So for me, I would like to use maybe this. I think this color. Okay, I think this one is match. And the next thing that you need to do is go to layers and put the text behind of the image that you are cut out from the background, kind of like this. Okay, and then the next thing that you need to do is go to effect, and maybe you can add a shadow effect or a leaf effect to make the text much more reveal from this image. So but for me, I think I will adding this outline onto this text and decrease the thickness from it, kind of like this, and then change the color of it onto a black color like this. And when you're done, you just need to positioning it as you want. So for me, I would like to put it on the side, decrease it a little bit more. Okay, a little bit more. Like this. Okay. Then one more time. If you kind of hard to click the text, you just need to go to layers and click this text. And then you can move around like this. Okay, I think this one is enough. And that's the way how to add a text behind the object of your image. And when you're done, you can downloading it by clicking this button on the right corner of your screen. And that's the way to create it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.